Uttarakhand glacier burst that led to flash floods has wreaked havoc in the entire Chamoli district and surrounding areas. Braving all challenges, rescue personnel have saved many lives. So what does it take to deal with unprecedented calamities such as this? We get you all the details in this report on how Jammu and Kashmir Police's mountain rescue team training to deal with such situations. Take a look.
Moments into the Uttarakhand glacier burst, teams of rescue personnel rushed to the affected areas in Chamoli district. But the rescue operations in mountain terrain face their own set of challenges.
Republic TV has now reached the Nad area in the Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir, which is one of the training centers for this mountaineering rescue team of the Jammu and Kashmir Police.
Jammu and Kashmir's mountain rescue team was formed in 2009 and was first deployed for the Amarnath Yatra.
Now 11 teams of this mountaineering response rescue team have been deployed for the Amarnath Yatra. 2 have been kept in for the disaster management and 3 to the prone areas that is prone to disaster, natural disaster. They are kept in such a way that they can tackle every situation arising out of the same, and they are now being trained on the regular basis, keeping in view the Uttarakhand tragedy that has taken place.
The rescue team is equipped with the latest equipment in order to carry out swift operations in tough terrains.
This elite team of Jammu and Kashmir Police till date has 1,500 trained members which are ready for each and every situation, be it any kind of the natural calamity or any kind of disaster. Regularly trained in these kind of the situation. If Sarjeevan could show you, this is a situation where a flood can arise, and this is a zipline structure which has been made by these MRT commandos to make it sure that there is a continuous supply of food as well as humans from that side to this side and this side to that side.
One personnel climbs a high mountain without support and upon reaching the top, drops the ropes for another personnel to climb.
The training of these MRT commandos have started, and the first challenge is to connect the area that has been disconnected due to a natural calamity to the rest of the area. This area now has no connection as the bridge here has been washed away, and now they are doing the free climbing. In this climbing they have no support, and they have to climb this straight mountain and have to go up to that very place where they will now connect this area to the opposite side. The first climber of this mountain rescue team has reached the top of this mountain, and now he has sent some ropes down there with which these additional troops of this mountain rescue team, they will now go upside to now continue the rescue operations which are going on.
Evacuation operations are also part of any rescue mission and training.
The rescue operations have now started as the teams have reached the other side of the mountain. I'll request Sarjeevan to show you the visuals. 2 persons who were injured in the natural calamity, they are being brought down so that they can be moved to a safer place from here to the medical facility.
In such operations, as has been seen in Uttarakhand, time is of the essence.
The second part of the rescue operation has begun, and now the situation is that a person is found in a deep gorge, and now these members of the mountain rescue team, they will evacuate him. They have tied him with a stretcher, and now he will be taken to the top of that place that is now connected to the other side, and they have to take him to the top of the mountain where this is a gorge, the situation exactly is, and now he will be taken via these ropes to the other side.
The training prepares the personnel to act with urgency and without loss of life.
These kind of operations, the key to success is the operation that is conducted well within the time.
माउंटेन रेस्क्यू टीम का काम है डिजास्टर और यात्रा के पर ज़्यादा फोकस रहता है. हम इनको 2009 से ही इनको तैयार कर रहे हैं यात्रा और डिजास्टर के लिए.
In another instance of the training are these zipline bridge crossing operations.
Zipline structure has been now established by these members of the mountain rescue team, and I am now crossing over to the other side. I was struck in the other side of the mountain, which was totally disconnected due to a natural calamity, and now this zipline structure that has been established, this is making sure that the connectivity is restored.
The zipline structure is constructed in areas which have been washed away as a result of a natural calamity. This structure, among others, proved crucial in conducting the rescue operations following the Kedarnath cloudburst in 2013.
This is really a tough job for the members of this mountain rescue team, as they have to make it very sure that the people reach to the other side safely, because the area is now hit by a natural disaster, and the priority is to make sure that the people reach to the other side.
But the task is not just anyone's cup of tea. It demands physical as well as mental strength to take the responsibility of saving lives.
तो हम इनको जब भी इनका कहीं बटालियन या किसी विंग से इनको बुलाते हैं तो इनकी पहले एज देखते हैं। एज 18 से लेकर 30 तक होती है। जो फिजिकली और मेंटली फिट हो उसी को हम इस टीम का पार्ट समझते हैं। उसके बाद इनकी जो ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है वो रेस्क्यू के ऊपर, और पहले इनको बताया जाता है कि पहाड़ से कैसे चढ़ना है और किस टेक्निक से नीचे उतरना है। उसके बाद जब ये ट्रेन हो जाते हैं उसके बाद इनको ट्रेनिंग जो है रेस्क्यू के, किसी विक्टिम को कोई खाई में गिरा हुआ है या पहाड़ के ऊपर है, किस तरह से उसको उतारना है और चढ़ाना है।
When an area is cut off following a natural disaster, Burma bridges are set up to establish temporary connectivity.
The Burma bridge that has been established to maintain a connectivity between the two areas that were disconnected, and those jawans of MRT, they are also crossing from that area to the other side. These bridges are established so as to continue with the connectivity that is disrupted due to a natural calamity, and these are temporary bridges which were built by the MRT team members.
Choppers are a key part of rescue operation, especially when it comes to distributing relief material. Mountain rescue team is also trained to climb up into and come down from a chopper.
To get off from a chopper and get into a chopper which is on the air is underway here in the Samba district. These MRT, the mountain rescue team, they are making sure that they have advancement and master in all the skills that are needed for a rescue operation in mountain terrain. And if Sarjeevan could show you on this very side, they are climbing up to the chopper. However, this is a demo drill and they are doing it on a bridge. This is a demo drill which they are doing.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.